Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore how to refresh settings on the Comodo Dragon browser, giving it a clean slate for optimal performance. So, let's dive in. On the Comodo Dragon browser, navigate to the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Reset Settings from the left-hand drop-down options. Now, you'll find yourself in the Reset Settings section. Here, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. A pop-up window will emerge, detailing everything that's set to be reset. Take a moment to review the items listed. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking Reset Settings again. And there you have it! Your Comodo Dragon browser has been successfully refreshed to its default settings, ensuring a smooth browsing experience. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.